Hello, this is Muhammad Ali, CSC 110, quiz 9, and this first question is asking us to take lowercase letters and return and encode letters. So basically I started with, from string I imported basic lowercase as LC, and I have this function encode L letter. I have this boolean if letter in LC, the index equals to LC dot find the letters, and minus 25. Basically it flips the letters from starting from A to Z here as a lowercase, and then I return next to it the letters from Z to A, and just return LC index here. So, and then I will go down here and say for X and LC, print X returns encode 2, encode LX. And if I do run this code, okay, as you see here, basically this process here is you got the A start from 1 and it returns the encode to Z, which is 25. So this part is here, and this minus 25 basically is just setting this upside down. So A can return Z and B can return Y. So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and this is the upside down version of it, which is A equal to 25, returns 24, returns 23, and on. Yep, and I think that's it. Well, you have a great day. Thank you so much.